Hello everyone, myself Amit Kumar Mane, founder Global Pharma Group. Today we are going to discuss all about our pharmaceutical export business management workshop. Pharmaceutical export has a lot of opportunities. It includes generic export, API export, medical devices export, Ayurvedic, nutraceutical, lot of other territories are also associated in the healthcare. So we are going to teach you everything like how to export those products to the other countries, step by step with a lot of other related information. So let's begin. In this video I'm going to told you everything related to this workshop, like when it will be started, what is the syllabus, how to enroll, what are the benefits and related questions. Let's begin. So if you are interested for knowing more about this workshop, just fill the Google form which is given in the description, or you can call to this number. Let's start. The first I will tell you the schedule. First, I will start with the schedule of this workshop. The workshop will start from the 27 July 2026. It is for the almost 1 month, every Monday to Friday. The timing will be 7 p.m. onwards, Indian time, and it is online based. Next, we will discuss about the topics which will be covered. So, there are a lot of topics. If you want to know each and every topic, just check the description. You will got to know everything, but here I am telling you the topics which are highlighted, important. So let's begin. The first we will told you about the pharmaceutical export, the like basics. What is the pharmaceutical export? What are the different statistics? How India is like good exporter for the pharmaceutical. Okay, that you can say there are a lot of opportunities in the pharmaceutical exporting from India itself. There are a lot of emerging markets also. Then opportunities, what are the basic opportunities an exporter as a beginner? Then what are the challenges you can face as an exporter? These entry level barriers also we are going to tell you. Next we are going to told you how to export as a manufacturer, how to export as a merchant. Both are different people. Manufacturer has his own manufacturing plant, merchant exporter doesn't have their own manufacturing plant, but they can definitely export by procure medicine from the manufacturer. So there are different steps associated. We are going to tell you each and everything here. Next, what are the documentation from Indian government to become an exporter? In each documentation, how to apply the fees, everything we are going to tell you. Then the next one, market research. Here we are going to tell you how to target or how to select a country, because there are different regions. For example, Europe, USA, Latin America, Gulf countries, Asian countries, African countries, Russian countries, MENA countries. Every country has its own specification. So we are going to tell you which region you can able to focus and how much amount of the investment is needed at there. Okay, and what is the entry level best like territory for you as an exporter. Then the next one, we are going to tell you the logistics management and payment terms, how it will be flow. Then the next one, very important, how to connect with the buyer, how to know the buyers. So there are genuine ways we are going to tell you, and you can follow this. Then you can also got to know that the banking, how to select the bank, which bank you can select, and what is the role of the banking, and at the same time the letter of credit process also, and even the payment terms, like how many payment terms are there and how you can get the advance payment as well. Then government benefits, what are the government benefits to each importer government is given. Then the next one, if you find the buyer, the validation of the buyer, how you can check, how you can give the rate, how you can negotiate, how you can deal with them, how to get a good profit margin, and how to become connected with the like that importer for the long term. These all things we are going to tell you here. And after that we are going to tell you the regulatory compliances, which is very important. So how the regulatory affairs works for this, what is the basic work the regulatory people has to do. This is like a lot of details are there, but we are going to tell you overview which is you needed. Okay, the documentation part is as such. So this is all about the topics covered. Then we are going to tell you the benefits of this workshop. So first benefit, you will get an ISO certification from us, which is worldwide accepted. Then the next one, the sessions are live but recordings can be provided. Then next one, you will get the expert learning from the top MNC consultant in pharmaceuticals, even me also here to teach you. Then the next one, you will got details of the buyers data from lot of the countries, so that you can start export and that start connecting with them. Then the next one, you will also get a market research data of top demanded countries from our end. It will be easy to select the product for you. Then the next one, sessions are live but it can be recorded also, we are providing to you. Okay, So how to enroll? The fees is 9,999, 9,999. So how to pay? Just pay to this number 9423272876. This is our official contact number, and after that you can share your name, email, qualification, location to this number on WhatsApp. Then we will add in the workshop group and you will get an email confirmation as well. So that's it all about enrollment process. Now we are discussing about the common questions. Is this workshop helpful for merchant exporter? Yes, it is helpful. We are focusing on the merchant exporter, manufacturer as well. Everything we are going to clarify here. Next one, is this workshop in which language? It is available in Hindi and English both. Okay, so overseas peoples are also welcome, Indian peoples are also welcome here. Then next one, can I get recording if I miss any sessions? Yes, you will get the recording as well. Then can I start exporting minimum investment? Yes, you can start. There are some commodity, there are some countries where minimum charges are there, you can able to start that as well. We are going to tell you during the workshop as well. So this is all details. If you need to know more, just fill the Google form which is given in the description, or you can call to this number. So I hope you completely understood the scenario or the details of our pharmaceutical export business management workshop. This is ideally built to know everything related to pharmaceutical export. It is ideal for beginner or ideal for entry level people or who just started but want to grow. They are also eligible here. So anyone without qualification, anyone who wish to export pharmaceuticals in other countries can join this workshop. Okay, so I hope you understand this, and if you like this announcement, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video to your friends and colleagues, and don't forget to share this video to your friends, colleagues and partners as well, so that they can also take the benefits of this workshop. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you all the best.